Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we're gonna see about for loop in a very clear manner. That is, I'm gonna make use of the flowchart so that you'll get a better understanding. So in this lecture, I'll be taking a single example to make you understand better. That is printing a 10 times. So this example was discussed in the previous lecture. So I'm going to use the same. So now uh, let me just execute the program, and there you go. It has printed a 10 times. Now let me bring up my flow chart. So this is the flow chart for the for loop. So let me explain it to you. So in this, for each item in sequence, so this is what I've given over here for I in range of 1, 11. So this I've given. Next, it comes in and it asks for a question, that is last item reached. So what is the last item reached? So in this, the last item is nothing but printing A the 10th time, which is this one. Now let me explain the process first. So for each item in sequence, so I've given that. Now it asks for the question, that is last item reached. So no, because this is the first time that this A is gonna get printed, so it just returns false and it just prints the statement, that is it prints A for the first time, and it gets back to this question again, that is it again asks, that is last item reached. So it again returns false and prints A for the second time. So it again returns back and it asks for the question, that is last item reached. So it returns false and it prints the statement. So this just continues until it reaches the 10th time, that is printing A for the 10th time. So when it reaches the 10th time, just asks last item reached, so it prints false and it prints A for the 10th time, and it again comes back and it asks last item reached, so this time it prints true and it just exits the for loop. So this is how this example works. So this is just a short lecture for your better understanding of this for loop. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about the while loop. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.